Hello, everyone. Welcome to iMobi support channel. This video will demonstrate how to transfer app between the iOS devices. First, launch AnyTrans on your computer. Then, connect your iOS devices to your computer. Once your iOS device is detected, the main interface will display. After connecting the device, please choose Phone Switcher option. Please select the source device and target device. Then, please click Next button. After that, all apps will be listed. And you can select apps you want to transfer based on your needs and click Next button. After clicking Next button, the following interface will appear. Please enter your Apple ID password to verify your account. Then, please click Verify button. After you verify the Apple ID, please click Next button. And then the transferring process will begin. After completing transfer process, you will see Transfer Completed interface.